because we are starting to see some showers already starting to develop with today's sea breeze. Now, notice most of the moisture is offshore, but you can see a line of showers starting to pop right along I-95 and Federal from Boynton through Lake Worth Beach into the Palm Beaches, the Gardens, and up into Martin County as well. And these will start to fill in even more, so they'll become more numerous as we head into the next couple of hours. We have a lot of tropical moisture sitting on top of us, so with the daytime heating and the sea breezes and with the front sitting across central Florida, that will all combine to help to trigger those showers and storms. And any of those storms could produce some flooding rains. We do have a lot of moisture available for these storms to work with. In the meantime, right there, that is Tropical Storm Francine. You can see Francine setting some heavy rainfall into southern Texas around Brownsville. Right now, winds of 65 miles an hour. Still a tropical storm, slowly moving to the northeast today, but it's going to start to pick up steam and work its way towards coastal Louisiana as we head into tomorrow. Ahead of it, a lot of warm water, so it is expected to strengthen up to a Category 1, maybe a Category 2 before it makes a landfall. And then eventually, as it moves farther north, then it starts to lose its punch once it's on land. But it will spread very heavy rainfall. We're talking up to a foot of rainfall possible with a storm surge anywhere from about 5 to 10 feet for coastal Louisiana. So it's going to pack a punch, that system. Now, in the meantime, we're also watching a couple of tropical waves out in the Atlantic. We have one right here, moderate chance of developing. This one a much better chance of developing. In fact, computer models do spin up either tropical depression or storm as we head into the next couple of days. But with this one, they're having a hard time with it. It looks like it's going to battle some headwinds, so computer models taking it towards the islands, but keeping it on the weaker side. But of course, we'll continue to watch it. Vipercast shows the showers and storms hugging I-95 through about 2 p.m. Then they start to move inland, but we'll still have some scattered storms around, and we'll have some wet weather in the forecast through about 9 p.m. By midnight, we should be generally dry. 89 is the forecasted high. The winds out of the southeast at 10. A 70% chance of showers and storms. The same tomorrow. Then a little bit drier as we head towards Thursday and Friday. And then by the weekend, we're down to about a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms as some drier air starts to mix into the picture.